The river's the Applegate?
Yes, we're
yeah.
at Fish Hatchery South is what
And I know good for me. You look so good to me. I don't need another broken heart or sleepless night. God, please guide me right. She looks like girl of my dreams.
Hi, welcome back, Diva Squad. It's Monique Nicole, aka Diva Budget here on YouTube. I typically do beauty, curvy fashion, vlogs, DIYs, and so much more. So if that interests you, please press the subscribe and join my Diva Squad. Also hit that notification bell so you never will miss when I drop or upload. This is day 6. I'll put it up if I'm wrong, of living in Oregon, and we're going to the river. We're gonna go swimming today. So let's get on into it. Outfit of the day, we're going to go swimming. I don't know where, a river or somewhere, but glasses Forever 21, earrings Shein, bathing suit Shein or Adore Me, don't remember. I don't know. This was secondhand, given to me, and shoes Shein. What, Dad? What's the name of this park?
Monique, grab your stuff so I can walk.
I have my stuff already.
Okay,
A little bit.
you know what? You need one of those little stakes. I
took off my watch.
And they're just sitting there like that in the sun. I don't know, just for a little bit at a time. Oh, this is for mosquitoes, not for the sun.
This one, Grammy. This one's sunscreen.
Oh.
Oh, it's a video. Damn, I feel old.
Some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, in the night, you want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being nice, you. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold on. So wide, one time, I need to hold a corner. And it's so wide, one time, I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you.
Look at my daughters and my nephew. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. And there's Grant and Shalene. She's paddle boating him. Mom, is she? I love it. There we are. Hold on. We're at the Applegate Fish Hatchery River, and it's so beautiful. I love it here.
The river is the Applegate.
The river's the Applegate?
Yes, we're at Fish Hatchery South is what it's called, but it's called the Applegate River.
Yeah, what my mom said, so.
I'm surprised there's this many people out here on a Wednesday.
There's over 30 people on the
I
water.
guess the school's out now.
And it's warm, so just it takes you.
I know, I'm so sore. I'm like, okay. Stroganoff was amazing. This is the actual outfit of the day. Earrings from Shein. I had some glasses that were from Forever 21. My bustier is from Boohoo. My shorts are from Fashion Nova. My shoes are from Shein. So we're back at the yurt. We just had some stroganoff. As you could tell, I had some of the zucchini with the stroganoff. I didn't really eat a lot of beef, mostly mushrooms, and I helped make the garlic bread. But we're about to go to the train tracks and see the sunset. Let's see how it goes. It's really beautiful. This is where my parents are living right now, and our best friend Shalene is on the compound too, so let's check it out.
Right?
And they have these trucks that ride on the rails, and this is how long a rail is. Look at this. Imagine this big piece of steel. And the end is way down here.
I said, when I tell you, I'll be like,
You know, we gotta have an outro, so thank you for watching this for the day. Until tomorrow, please, if you're watching this whole vlog and you ain't subscribed, rude, go ahead, subscribe, join my Diva Squad, like it, have a conversation in the comment section. And until next time, I hope you're safe, you're loving on someone, you have your health, and blessings. Goodbye.